Hey people, we are over at the Contemporary Inn right now. I'm here with good old Ryder and Joe, another DCPers.
DCP.
From Cali and Wisconsin, so completely different from Michigan. They keep on insulting me because I call pop pop.
I'm across the lake, it's not that far.
So we went to the Polynesian today.
No, let's go Quimmin. Let's do it. Music to it. We're doing it.
Yeah.
Got laid, as you can see. Sorry to my girlfriend. No. So we're waiting for the Magic Kingdom fireworks, and we're at the Contemporary, like I said. Just waiting, music's already starting, going smooth. So they get really nervous about putting my camera like this, but we're pretty high up here. As you can see, the view is stupendous.
Starts at 1
So
minute.
Magic Kingdom is right over there, and it's supposed to be starting in about a minute or so. All right, Ryder, how was it?
Are you look?
What?
I have no words. No words.
That's your words. All right, people, help us find the tennis courts.
There's also a fire truck over there.
Hey, just be happy it isn't us. But they did interrupt our fireworks. I would give it a solid 5 out of 10. No, well, the thing is, it's the reason why is because I wasn't there. Hey, people. We're trying to find the tennis courts. Ryder over here had the map backwards. I'm mad at Ryder right now because we are lost.
Grant and I have gone live at like the same time. I don't even know if I'm talking to anybody. I don't know how it works. We're Magic Kingdom. We're kind of
All right, so we're trying to book it now. Apparently, we have 10 minutes. Bus gets there 10 minutes.
10 minutes. And we gotta like.
And then the next bus is like 40 minutes after that.
So we're sprinting.
Now we're running because Ryder
Actually,
got
I'll
it
catch
messed
you
up.
guys later
We're just gonna
when
keep
we're
on.
not running to catch a bus. Love you guys. See you soon.
All right, so quick update. We're waiting at the bus stop for going back to the housing. Ryder took us the wrong way, as you can see. That's about it.
No.
All right, so I didn't really get good thoughts. What thoughts about Happily Ever After?
That Grant needs to come with us to Volcano Bay.
Great thoughts about
And it was
the
great.
fireworks.
It was nice.
Ryder?
It was awesome. He almost cried,
He did cry.
Tangled.
which I don't blame him. I almost did too.
So they're trying to get me to go to Volcano Bay.
Thumbs up for him to go.
Thumbs
Like,
up.
comment, subscribe if you want him to go to Volcano Bay.
Like tell him you want him to live a little.
I just don't have the money to spend. That's the
Yeah,
thing.
you do.
And because it's $70 and we don't get a discount for it, don't have the
Look
money.
for a Groupon.
All right, people, we're basically done for the day. Like I said, we went to Polynesian. There was that, and went shopping. There's a separate video for that. And they're trying to get me to go to Volcano Bay. We'll see. And then, yeah, watched the fireworks happily ever after. It was pretty good. I've never actually seen it because I've only went during Christmas. This Saturday, I think we're actually going to be going to the park if our schedules all line up, and hit the park all day and hopefully the fireworks. That's all for now. Want to say something?
Like, comment, subscribe.
See ya.
Hey people, so that video was kind of all over the place. I don't know how I'm gonna edit it, but quick recap for the day. I basically went to the store. I'm probably gonna have a haul video that's separate. We then I ended up making nachos for dinner and went resort hopping, kind of. We just ended up we went to Polynesian and we got the Lays and everything, and then we went to Contemporary and watched the fireworks, and it was actually the first time I've ever seen that fireworks show, so it was pretty cool. And now I'm just walking back to Patterson. That's basically it. Simple, small video. That's it. See ya.